Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Traffic Escape game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Once you open up the application, simply tap on the search box and then search for Traffic Escape. Now from the search results, tap on the application and then you will see an install button if you haven't installed it to your system yet. So simply tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is completed. Once the installation is done and you see the play button, you can simply tap on it and this will open up the Traffic Escape game on your Android device. And now you can immediately start playing the game on your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Traffic Escape game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.